Why should I hire a maritime accident lawyer? Maritime employers and insurance companies employ teams of dedicated attorneys with the specific job of making your disputes go away in the cheapest and quickest way possible. Often this means claiming jurisdiction in foreign countries, which limits your compensation. Without the help of an experienced maritime accident lawyer, companies will use their vast experience, manpower, and resources to overwhelm you in an attempt to quickly end your claim. This usually results in a judgment that significantly undervalues or rejects your claim completely. An experienced maritime accident lawyer can ensure companies act accordingly in resolving your claim or face litigation in a court case. The accomplished maritime injury lawyers will greatly ease the burden and stress of your claim by leading you through every step with expertise and reassurance. The maritime attorneys at Doyle Dennis LLP, with their decades of experience, will also allow you to get an expert opinion on your claim with no fees necessary. With our knowledge in admiralty law, we can help you understand what your case is worth and how you can get the compensation you deserve. Benefits of working with a maritime lawyer at Doyle Dennis LLP. Our maritime lawyer has decades of experience in aggressively pursuing offshore injury and Jones Act cases. We have a track record of swiftly pursuing maritime cases to get the best recovery as soon as possible. We have won millions for clients involved in offshore injury and Jones Act cases. We have a track record of taking offshore injury and Jones Act cases to trial and winning. Offshore companies and their insurers know our history of success, which translates to getting the best results for our clients time and time again. What are common maritime accident injuries? Offshore drilling rig injuries. Fixed platform injuries lawyer. Maritime gangway injuries. Inland marine injuries. Injured offshore oil and natural gas workers. Offshore tool injuries. Offshore lifting injuries. Injuries on vessels. Cruise ship passengers with personal injuries. Cargo, tanker and container vessels injuries. Barge and tugboat injuries. Workboat accident injuries. Dredging vessel injuries. Dive boats injuries. Transportation vessels injuries. Spine, neck and back injuries. Head and brain injuries. Explosion and burn injuries. Line and cable injuries. Are there upfront costs or charges for hiring a maritime accident lawyer? No. There are absolutely no upfront costs or charges hiring a maritime accident lawyer. We work on a contingency fee basis. If we don't win for you, we don't get paid. In fact, we take on the financial risk of the recovery process because we believe so strongly in our clients and the strength of their claims. You do not have to spend a dime on us as your legal counsel unless we recover for you. You are always welcome to set up a free consultation with one of our attorneys to talk about your potential claim. We take great pride in our attorney-client relationship, helping clients seek successful outcomes. Can you sue an insurance company without a maritime accident lawyer? A licensed attorney is required to successfully sue an insurance company. Many attorneys may claim they can handle a maritime accident, but these lawsuits against insurance companies for maritime accident require great expertise and experience. Many lawyers may claim they can deal with insurance companies for maritime claims, but in reality, only those such admiralty law firms as Doyle Dennis LLP with the decades of industry-specific experience will be able to get you the best possible outcome. Maritime employees and longshoremen generally don't fall under general state compensation laws but are covered by the Jones Act or the Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act, LHWCA. The majority of attorneys will have little knowledge and experience in how to properly deal with maritime accident claims. Settling for an attorney without the experience necessary in International Convention of Admiralty laws and federal statutes for American workers is only doing yourself a disservice, as it almost certainly will lead to an outcome less than what you truly deserve and what an experienced admiralty lawyer can help you gain. Our decades of proven experience in maritime claims and millions of dollars recovered for clients allow us to provide the expertise needed in your lawsuit. We will help you find out what your claim is possibly worth and how to achieve actual results. Typical life cycle of a maritime accident claim. Maritime accidents can happen in a matter of seconds, minutes or hours, but getting compensated for them can take months and often years. A maritime accident may quickly change your life for the worst, and seeking proper compensation does not usually come in a reasonable time frame most people expect. Companies will sometimes offer quick settlements or payments, but they almost certainly undervalue your claim in order to dismiss them cheaply and quickly. Companies do not pay workers the large amounts they deserve without a deep investigation and often prolonged dispute. The general time frame for a maritime accident claim is 4 months to a couple years. Most likely they will be well over a year. After the accident, medical treatment including surgery can take weeks, months or even years of rehabilitation. It is very important to receive adequate medical care and proper evaluation to make sure you recover physically and financially what you deserve. Recoveries of thousands and millions are generally only possible when a case has been handled correctly from start to end. The process of discovery can take months to ensure all the information about the incident can be documented. The maritime industry has many moving parts with doctors, witnesses and companies having difficult schedules to coordinate with around the globe. The medical process also takes time as many issues and difficulties are not apparent right away. Things such as lost wages, medical bills and mental anguish can only properly be determined from a careful discovery process. Once a case has been started, companies will often try and prolong the negotiation process to their advantage. Ultimately, if a lawsuit is necessary to force a company to court to comply, it can take years of hard, dedicated work, which we have done numerous times before. The maritime claims process can be a long period of time to deal with the aftermath and uncertainty of an accident on your own.